Oh, that's my strong little boy. Oh. Yeah. Isaac, can you say truck?
Bus.
Bus. Can you say truck?
Show.
Can you say mama?
Mama.
Can you say dada?
Ash.
Can you say juice? Can you say please? Please. You want some of this? You're welcome. Can you say kitty? No. Can you say truck? Truck. You say Thomas? You say train? Choo choo. What sound does a puppy make? Woof woof. Woof woof. What sound does a puppy make? You say woof woof. Can you wave bye? Wave. Wave bye bye.